multiple rounds of severe weather will be impacting the United States, while a ring of fire weather pattern will be impacting the Carolinas, and the tropics are waking up. Hey guys, it's Convective Analyst keeping you guys updated on weather. We'll start off with today, which is Monday. We have 4 different areas of a slight risk, but we need to be focusing on these 2 big ones. So we have 2 areas of a 2% tornado threat, as you can see on the screen. We also have a 30% tornado. No, not tornado, guys. We have a 30% wind risk in place and a 10% Sig 1 risk in place. So this will probably be the main threat for damaging winds. It's just a higher probability that you'll see 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts over here, but you will most likely see about 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts if you are in this area. Okay, so we will keep you updated on that. And then the hail threat is a 15% Sig 1 risk, and that's in the same area as the winds Sig 1 risk. Now going into Tuesday, we have another area of a slight risk. This stretches all the way down to the Carolinas, actually. We have a 2% tornado threat in place again, and a 15% Sig 1 threat, as you can see on the screen. So 75+ mile-per-hour winds will be on the table, and only a 5% hail risk up near Sioux Falls. Now Wednesday, this is the ring of fire weather pattern I'm talking about, okay? So we will show you this on the models and future outlooks, but you can see that it's just a ring of fire about all kinds of storms that are just stretching across this area. The main development area for severe weather will be in the slight risk, obviously, but this slight risk actually might get extended down to the Carolinas. The probabilistic is still a 15% risk in the slight risk area. Still uncertain, but we will keep an eye on this. Going over to the models, we're gonna talk about today's storms. So we go, hold on, so like this is around lunchtime. I mean, there's already storms happening. If we go to live weather, we already have storms happening right now. So the models are basically just showing the storms that are happening right now. So those storms are going to push off. We see storms are start to develop near Chicago. If we go to the significant tornado parameter values, we can see when these storms are here, we have a lot of instability for a tornado to form. Okay, so a significant tornado cannot be ruled out for today. There really should not be a 2% tornado risk. It should be like at least 5%. And hold on, do we even have a tornado threat for the Chicago area? Okay, we do. That's good. Okay, so again, a significant tornado is possible today because of the. Hold on, look at this. Yeah, we have an 8 here, 8.2. Okay, that's very high. This goes up to 10 when an 8, and storms are here when they're here, right? So the Cape is also very high. This is around 9 o'clock, by the way. So I would say the main time for Chicago that you need to be worried about a tornado is probably 7 to I would actually no. I would say 7 to about 4 a.m. the next following day on Tuesday. Okay, so we can see that the Cape is also very high around 9 tonight. We're seeing some of those purples around even 12, right? So again, damaging wind is the main hazard, but a significant tornado, I could definitely see that happening today. Okay, so the tropics are also starting to pick up. We have this one, which people are like, this is coming straight towards the country. It's not. This is going east, guys. This is going east, and it's only 20%. So this won't be impacting any land unless that makes it literally all the way across the Atlantic Ocean and impacts like these areas over here near like Paris and stuff. But these areas we do need to focus on because these are technically heading towards the U.S. They are very far away, though, but we actually do have a 60% medium risk now and a 20% low for the 2-day outlook, and then the 7-day outlook is 60%. So I wouldn't be surprised if a tropical storm or a tropical depression does get issued here within the next few days, but we'll see if that happens. Stay safe. I might go live today. I'm not 100% sure. Just make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell if and when I do live.